Hey beading friends, I'm Teddy, and in today's quick and super easy beading tutorial I will show you how to create these colorful boho style rainbow seed beads earrings that are perfect for July morning. Consider subscribing and checking the membership in description for massive value. Okay guys, so what I'm using for this video are 9 colors of 11 seed beads: iris, purple, dark blue, light blue, green, yellow, orange, dark orange and red. I'm using here Fusionline, which is very similar to the popular Fireline, but you could use your favorite thread. This is size 11 beading needle. These are earring findings and scissors. Okay friends, and I'm starting my work with 28 iris beads. Please double check if they are 28. And they barely fit on my needle, but they are exactly 28, guys, okay? Do this. If you have to pause the video, do this, pick them up, check them, and we can continue together. Okay, I have them here. Now, my friends, in my next step, I want to go back here through all of those beads to create a circle. You see what I'm doing? I'm going here, like that. And I'm exiting where my tail thread is, guys. And as I'm exiting here, I want to make a knot at this step. I'm making it by making a loop and going twice through the loop I've made. And I'm pulling gently, just like this. And I want to make just one more knot at this step. So now I have this beautiful circle of beads created. Now I'm going to pass through some beads in this direction. And I will take 2 purple beads, the next color is purple. And as I'm exiting from this bead, I'm going back in circle through the same bead. You see? And I create a loop between the inner iris bead and these 2 newly added purple beads, okay? And I pull. I have this now. In my next step, I'm going into the following iris bead around this circle. I take a purple bead and I go back through this purple, through the iris in the center, and just to save time, through the next iris. Otherwise, I should do this in a different movement to go through the next iris as well. Then I take another purple, I go through this purple, through the iris in the center and through the following. You see how easy it is. You just take one purple and go through the previous beads. So it is a purple, go through the purple, through the one that you're exiting out of, back in circle, and through the following. That's the movement, guys. And since I believe you got the idea, purple, bead that you're exiting out of, back in circle and following, I will let you do this by yourself because it is a repetitive, easy work. And I'll meet you here at this point. So don't do the last one, we will do it together, but continue up to here and I'll meet you. Okay friends, and here I am at the last bead and I'm adding my last purple, which is 28 by the way. If you want to know if you work correctly, you should have 28 purple beads at this step, okay? Then I'm going into the last bead here. And at this step I want to reinforce, so I'm not at the last bit, I'm not adding another one, but I'm reinforcing these last two and connecting them. So I'm connecting the first to the last one when I do this. Okay. Now I have the second row done, and in this row the beads are pointing in this direction, the holes of the beads are pointing in this direction, and this is how we're going to build the outside edge. I will pick up a long sequence and I'll be back to tell you what it is. Okay friends, and I'm picking up the following sequence: dark blue, light blue, green, yellow, light orange, dark orange, 2 red beads, orange, light orange, yellow, green, light blue and dark blue. Okay, this is the sequence. And as I'm exiting here, guys, from this purple I go into the neighbor purple and I pull. And I have this now. In my next step, I want to go into the neighbor purple. And I will pick up the next colorful sequence. This time it will be half of the previous one, so it will be 1 dark blue, 1 light blue, a green, yellow, light orange, dark orange and 2 red beads. And I'm going here into this whole row, into the dark orange, and I go through the purple one as well. Okay, then I have this. In my next step, friends, I want to go here into this inner row because my goal is to exit from the center to the outside through this purple bead. And I take the same sequence, my friends: dark blue, light blue, green, yellow, light orange, dark orange and 2 red ones. And I go back like this. And by the way, if you like how it all works up to here, you can of course subscribe with the bell for more free content, like, share and comment to get to know each other better. And check the membership in description and at the join button, because it comes with massive value. 12 video courses at the moment and 40 rotating PDF patterns, my newest uploads that change all the time, and also early access to the new videos. Okay, so I take the same sequence, my friends, and I go backwards through all of those beads. And by the way, all of this comes for the price of a latte. So whether you're drinking latte with a friend or joining my membership with all of those resources and never wonder what to do next, because I have weekly content for members, whether it's PDF pattern or a tutorial that is done especially with love for the members, it's all the same. So it's like drinking latte with a friend, indeed. Okay, my friends, and because it is absolutely the same thing, I will continue this until the end and I'll meet you at the last step because it will be a little bit different. So do it until the last step and I'll be back to tell you what it is. Don't forget at each step to go here, reposition, and do the next sequence. Okay, I will do this off camera and I'll meet you. Okay friends, and I hope you paused this video and continued with these steps up to this point. If not, just pause it and catch up with me, and let's do here the last step. As always, I'm picking up absolutely the same sequence. I'm going through all of those beads just like this. And the only thing that I'm left to do now, guys, I'm going again here through these beads down there, is to attach these last and first loops together. And how am I going to do this? I'm going in this direction through all of those beads, the dark orange inclusive. I take 2 red beads and I go like that through all of those beads. And then here backwards in this direction I exit out of the dark orange, and now I want to go through these 2 red ones. I take 1 red and go into the next 2 red beads, another red, and I repeat, and another, and I'm going to continue adding red beads here, guys, until the end of this row. And because it's repetitive and super easy, I'll do this and I'll meet you here at this point. And here I am, guys, where I'm adding my last bead from this row. And I'm taking 2 red beads, an earring finding and 2 red beads, and I'm going backwards through these 2 red ones, just like this. Then I would like to reinforce this joint here. Reinforce it once or twice, and when you're done, find a place to make a knot. Let's say here at the edge, or you can go down if you want. And here I make a loop, I go twice through the loop I've made, I pull, then I go here in this direction through some beads, and I'm cutting this tail thread. And now my colorful seed beads rainbow boho style earrings that are perfect for July morning are ready. So if you enjoyed this tutorial and you want to see more and more free videos like this one, consider subscribing with the black bell. In this way you won't miss any of my new content. You can also like, share and comment. I read through all of the comments, I enjoy them and I answer to all of them. You can also check the membership. It is only the price of a latte and you get massive value. Now I have 12 video courses, 12th one is in progress, which means 60 tutorials with 5 tutorials each course. New courses are coming, and I have 40 PDF pattern. This is a rotating gallery with my latest 40 patterns, and with time, if you are a member, you can download and curate your own collection with massive value, because each one of these designs is with average price about $5 on sites like Amazon, Etsy, etc. So you get also early access to the new videos when you become a member, and as I mentioned, to the new patterns and new content for members weekly. You also support my dream to become a full-time content creator. Thank you all for listening through all of this, and see you in the next video.